Hey there again, Erica Swarthy Daisy. Quick video on how to use the Voice Memos app on iOS. So this is on my iPhone. It also is available on an iPad. So we're going to go ahead and hit Voice Memos. So we're going to tap and open that. To start a brand new recording, say you are going to interview a family member or a friend, or you want to record a conversation, or you want to record music or what have you, you can go ahead and use this app. So at the very bottom of the screen, you'll see a red button. Tap that one time to begin recording. So we're going to do a test recording, okay? Tap that. Testing, 1, 2, 3. This is a test of the iOS app for voice recording. And then we tap it again to stop the actual recording. So as you see, it says new recording 5 at the top, and it shows the time, 4:22 p.m. Shows the length of the clip, or the audio clip, is 8 seconds. And below that bar, you'll see 3 little blue dots. We'll get back to that, but it's more settings for this specific recording. You see a 15-second reverse, a play button, 15-second forward, and then the trash can. So let's go ahead and look at the 3 blue dots on the left here. And your options for this clip is to copy it, share it, edit the recording, duplicate it, save it to files, save to Dropbox, or edit actions. So what we'll do is edit the recording. So we're going to tap that. That's the 3rd line down, and it'll open up an editor view of this clip, right? So as you see, if I go ahead and press play, it'll show you exactly what we just recorded. Testing, 1, 2, 3. This is a test of the iOS app for voice recording. Okay, so if you take your finger and slide across these little lines back to the beginning of the clip, then you can edit out some of the portions that you may not want. So say you edited or you recorded a conversation or an interview with someone, and say they stalled or they or it took you a while to get it together, and there's a lot of dead air at the beginning. Like with this clip, you see how the lines are kind of short. That's not really any audio going on there, but as they get longer, that's where I started talking. So what we can do is edit. So we're going to press the little, so I'm going to show you again. On the very right side, there's a little box with 2 arrows on it, one going up, one going down. Press that or tap that, and we're going to take this yellow bar that has 2 balls in the center. We're going to press it, and we're going to drag it over to where the line starts to get tall. So it has a little bit of short lines at the beginning, and then it goes larger as my voice gets higher. So I dragged it to that. As you see on the left, there are tiny little lines. That is all the dead air that we want to trim off. We're going to then go ahead and tap the word trim at the bottom right under the numbers. Tap trim, and then we'll go ahead and play it so we can hear exactly what we recorded. 2, 3. This is a test of the iOS app for voice recording. Okay. So at the end, there's also some dead air. So we're going to press and hold to trim that dead air out as well. Hit trim, and let's test it again. So we're going to slide back to the beginning of the clip, hit play. Testing, 1, 2, 3. This is a test of the iOS app for voice recording. All right, so it stopped perfectly. Now that is done, we're going to hit save at the top right. And then we're going to hit done. Okay, this is just basic 101 record and trim. Okay, if you want to go ahead and rename this clip from new recording 5, tap on the word new recording 5. It'll open up a little editing balls, I guess you can call them for the sake of this video. You could either drag those to keep portions of what's already there, or you could just do the back arrow on the keyboard to delete it and just rename it. Call it testing 1. Okay, we'll just name it that. All right, and then if you hit return on the keyboard, that'll set that title for you, and voila, it's there. You'll always have it. Now, say you don't want testing one anymore in your feed of voice memos, then again, you can go to the trash can to the right, press it, and it'll delete it. If you want to play it again, you see the play button in the center. Testing 1 2 3. This is a test of the iOS app for voice recording. All right, so you'll always have it in that app. It'll save itself right there. Say now you want to take it and share it. Go back to those 3 blue dots on that clip. You see where it says share, the second row down. Hit share. And then there you'll see different options. You can text the clip to some people. You can airdrop it to another Apple device. You can use email, notes, WhatsApp, Kindle. So these are some other apps that I have available on my phone. You may or may not have these same options, but at the basis you'll have airdrop, messaging, mail, and notes. Okay, so from there you can go ahead and save those particular you can save the clip to those apps, and the other app options are you can copy it, you can edit the recording, again, duplicate, save the file, save the Dropbox. So all those things are still there. So again, that's a basic 101 voice memos, how to record, how to trim, how to delete, how to share. Once again, this is Erica Swarthy Daisy. Thank you guys so much for watching. Take care. Bye.